the quality indicators were developed as part of what we call the Quest feature set, and you can access this Quest feature set here on the right hand side under the four boxes here. See science journalism features. There is no need for you to type in a science topic here. If I click on that feature, you'll then see that we get a range of different types of content across the top. And in this case, we're interested in the quality indicators, or the indicators button. So you click on that button to gain access to the indicators. So here on this page, we have a set of 12 science quality indicators that were developed as part of the Quest project's scientific research in order to identify what are the most important qualities of good science journalism, identified by a large cohort of Europe's science journalists and communicators. And these quality indicators are quite diverse. For example, we have this one here, number one, the work should be scientific. The communication should be based on reliable, rigorous scientific information and sources. References to scientific sources are added. And then it provides you with some rationale and description, and then some questions that you can ask here at the bottom as part of an act of self-reflection. You would expect scientific to be a quality of a good science journalism piece. Same with factual and balanced. But there are some other interesting ones further down here which may take you a little bit more by surprise. For example, spellbinding. Communication should be emotionally engaging and making full use of the format's responsibilities. Similarly here, you should be responsible, socially and politically conscious, and follow ethical standards. And again, some guidelines are provided here. These cards are not interactive, but if you wanted to find out more about the quality indicators and the work behind them, they are accessible by clicking on this information button here. And this provides the background to where the quality indicators, as well as the other science journalism content, comes from. And if you then click on the web link here to the original Quest project, you're able to click through and see the Quest project website. And here on the right hand side of the menu options is the set of Quest toolkits. And you will be able to follow up with these kinds, with the more information about the Quest quality indicators, the checklists, presentation toolkits, and various blogs and so on that have been developed, and podcasts that have been developed for the project. So do use this link in order to investigate further.